And we're looking ahead to possibly more winter weather.
Be ready when we don't have to use this graphic behind us anymore, Lainey, but at the rate we're going, it's looking like that'll be in April.
We have a lot of cold air in place and more cold air that's headed our way. A lot of the major roads you can see are for the most part dry, but it is the neighborhoods that are an issue. And yes, it is going to stay pretty cold with very little melting, with more below normal temperatures, dry skies through Friday. We are watching a potential for this weekend weather system. Notice the temperatures above freezing for a few hours in the Triad tomorrow and Friday, and then temps are in the 20s as we head into the weekend. So 35 right now in Greensboro, 36 in Burlington, 32 in Mount Airy and Wilkesboro. We've got temperatures in the teens and 20s in the mountains. A little stationary front that's going to slowly sag southward tonight. It'll be mostly clear. We'll look for overnight temperatures to get down into the teens once again. So another bitter cold start out there tomorrow morning, and then we've got a stretch of teens in the forecast all the way into next week. So many roads are still icy, limited melting. Sunshine should help us tomorrow. Clouds come in though on Friday, and of course we've got that refreeze overnight. Here's our forecast. The temperatures gradually warming tomorrow, should get above freezing to about 37. Northwest wind. It is mainly sunny out there tomorrow with some passing clouds. In the foothills, 16 in the morning, 36 tomorrow afternoon, also with a few clouds. And then we've got 14 tomorrow morning in the mountains, 32 tomorrow afternoon, and with the wind, single-digit wind chill values in the mountains in the morning, and it's going to feel like it's in the teens in the afternoon. Over the next couple of days, the clouds thicken on Friday for the foothills, the Piedmont, and the mountains, and we're looking at the possibility for a little bit of snow to develop depending on a lot of things. And the main thing is an area of low pressure that is expected to form off our coast. And yes, this is a situation where we're not tracking a storm, but it's going to sort of develop in our region. And as it develops, the air is cold enough for snow wherever we can squeeze out that moisture. And that depends on where that low is. So as we head into early Friday, you've got some clouds around for sure. By late Friday, we could see a little area of snow showers breaking out in our mountain communities, and it's possible those could kind of shift into the central parts of North Carolina, and that depends again on this low. Right now, we're looking at moderate storm impact as a possibility across parts of the Carolinas. Again, the storm is expected to form near the Carolina coast. Where it forms, its strength, its track, all of these things are key in our forecast, and as to whether or not you see snow and of course how much. We do think the air is cold enough for snow. It'll be one of those light powdery snows because the air is so cold. Our current thinking is that we're increasing our confidence for maybe at least a little bit of snow in the Triad, and there's the potential for significant amounts of snow somewhere in North Carolina. Right now, favored areas seem to be a little farther east toward the coastline. The impacts will be determined by the amounts. That storm again is nowhere on the map because it has not developed yet. We're waiting for more cold air and some energy upstairs here, a little rotating wave of energy that could enhance the lift and the rate of precipitation if it's timed out just right with this storm that is off the shore. Again, is it closer to the Carolinas? Is it farther out to sea? Those have huge impacts on whether or not we see snow and how much, and for New England too, as this storm is going to track right up the coast. So right now, the anticipation is that we could see some bands of snow kind of setting up over the Carolinas, depending again on the position with this low, and it would look like kind of a Friday night into Sunday scenario. So it's once again a situation where we may be dealing with more than 24 hours of precipitation. We have a lot of things that we've got to iron out with this. We do think it's mainly snow, and it would be on top of, yes, that ice out there and the bitter cold. Likely we'll see some winter storm watches get posted for parts of the Carolinas tomorrow. We could be in that zone. We've got cold air into the weekend, and it looks like those teens will last even into next week. Stay with us. We'll, of course, keep you up to date.
All right, after that ugly 7-day, how about a pretty sunset? A live look at US 52 and Ram.